If you want to customize your Android apps and give your phone a fresh new look, don't worry. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to change app name and icon on Android so you can personalize your home screen the way you want. First, we will customize app's icon, then we will learn to change app's name like this. On home screen, tap and hold for a second, a menu will appear like this. Then go to Icons. From here, you can change your icon styles. In Custom, you can change the shape of your icons, adjust foreground, and icon size. Change icons by adopting system colors and we'll press on Apply to save changes. To edit app name, tap and hold on that app of which you want to change name. Then press on this edit icon. Rename your application name and press on Save. Note one thing, that this setting is available on new versions, so if not available in yours, you need to update your device. That's it for today's video. If this helps you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.